Hi everyone. So we pre-ordered the S24 from Samsung and it's just arrived. So let's see what's in the box. So in the box, another couple of cases. And this one, this is the S24 Galaxy Violet, I believe, edition, and we also bought a Smart View wallet case just to go with it. So let's see how the phone is to begin with. So in the box, the usual quick start guide. USB-C to USB-C cable, obviously no wall chargers anymore, and the SIM card slot tool. And then the phone itself, so say this is the Violet edition. It feels nice, a bit different to the S23. Straight edges rather than the more rounded edges that we had on the S23. Size-wise, it's the exact same, or just about the same. On the front, just about the same. Right-hand side, the same. And on the back, the same, although of course they changed where the light sensor or the flashlight is, just so that you would have to buy a new case. On the back, or on the bottom, again, very similar. And on the top, very similar again. So it feels a little bit different. This one's a bit more curved on the edges. This was a bit more straight edged. So I'm not sure if they're trying to do something similar to Apple. But yeah, it feels good. It's not as violet as my wife thought it would be. This was the pink edition, last year's. This is the violet. And this is the black, I believe, S24 edition. And you can see how it looks. And then just quickly, let's have a quick look at the case. The case itself, just like last year's. So there we have it. So stay tuned, and we'll post our video with the phone up and running shortly. Thanks very much for watching.